scheme that summarizes how the humoral mediated immunity works. When the pathogen invades the body, the macrophage cells carry the antigen from the pathogen to the lymph node where the lymphocytes are present. In the meantime, some of the lymphocytes called helper T cells activate the B lymphocytes. Activated B lymphocytes multiply by mitosis. So you get a very large number of B lymphocytes, all similar, arising from the same parental cells. So they are called clone of B lymphocytes. Among these clone of B lymphocytes, some of them differentiate into plasma cells, and these plasma cells secrete specific antibodies. The antibodies, through the circulating blood, reach the infected site, where antibodies bind with the antigens present on the pathogens and form an antigen-antibody complex. This antigen-antibody complex inactivates the pathogen or brings about phagocytosis of the pathogen, or activates the complementary proteins. This is called fixing the complement, fixes the complement proteins, and these activated complement proteins may destroy the pathogen, may enable the pathogen to be swallowed by phagocytes. That is called opsonization. Opsonization literally means to make it tasty, because some of the bacteria have a protein coat which cannot be directly ingested by the WBC phagocytes. Opsonization makes it possible for the phagocytes to engulf them, and the other possibility is inflammatory response. Some of these B lymphocytes become B memory cells, and these memory cells remember the pathogen, remember the antigen, so continue to secrete the antibody for years together, and this enables the body for a secondary immune response if the person is again attacked by the same pathogen. So this is the primary mechanism by which humoral immunity works.